Hello everyone. First we are drawing a line and three shapes of like a star, and then it's drawing a leaf, and then we are connecting a triangle, and then drawing lots of small circles inside a triangle shape, and we are shading with the red and green sketch, and it's a strawberry. And next we are drawing a T and then drawing a circle. Again we are drawing one more circle and circle, connecting them lots of circle. It looks like a grapes, and then drawing a leaves and drawing a line inside a leaf, and giving the branches and shading them with a black sketch, and coloring them. Use an ant, draw four fingers, connect them, and again draw an ant, again connect them, then draw a nail type above the top, and then draw a big line that is standing holding the chilies, and then draw a leaf in the every chilies and draw the lines, and then shade with a green sketch in the top of the chilies, and then shade a red sketch, and you mean it's a red chili shaded in the all the sides, and it's holding the tree. And next we are using a zero. We are drawing a mushroom, coloring them with a yellow sketch and with an orange sketch, and it's a beautiful mushroom. And then using a one, we are drawing an brinjal, shading with green and purple sketch. Using two, we are drawing a carrot, and then lining them and coloring and sketching them with a orange and green sketch. And then using three, first draw and chilies with a red and the red shading of sketch, and the bottom and the top is like green sketch. And then using 4, we are drawing an corn, and using 5, we are drawing a pumpkin. And next move to the next diagram. First take an yellow sketch, draw a zero, and then again connect them, and then put a dots, and then draw a green color water pen mark, and it's a pineapple. Using zeros, again you can draw a mushroom, line them. Using 1, draw a tree, and again using 2, draw an carrot, and then using 3, draw and chilies and the green top. With a 4, draw and tree and draw a pineapple and with the leaves.